Unveiling the top 5 competence boosters for AI newbies, unleashing potential. Embracing lifelong learning in AI 2025 and beyond. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence AI, competence is a crucial factor that separates the novices from the pioneers. 1. Mastering Foundational Concepts. September 23, 2025. Understanding the fundamentals is paramount. A strong foundation in mathematics, computer science, and statistics equips AI learners with the necessary tools to navigate complex concepts and tackle real-world problems effectively. Enroll in comprehensive courses like MIT's Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python or Stanford University's Machine Learning CS229. Acquiring a solid understanding of foundational concepts instills confidence, enabling AI enthusiasts to approach challenges with clarity and precision. 2. Applying knowledge in practical settings boosts learning retention and enhances problem-solving skills. Participating in hackathons, Kaggle competitions, or open-source projects can offer valuable hands-on experience. Google's AI for Social Good Challenge, for example, encourages participants to apply AI to real-world social issues. Engaging in practical projects and competitions helps newcomers build confidence by allowing them to tackle diverse problems and collaborate with experienced professionals. 3. Cultivating a growth mindset. January 1, 2025. Adopting a growth mindset is essential for continuous learning and development in AI. Embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, learn from criticism, and view mistakes as opportunities to grow. Carol Dweck's book, Mindset: The New Psychology of Success, provides insights into developing this mentality. A growth mindset fosters resilience and adaptability, empowering AI newcomers to tackle complex problems with determination and tenacity. 4. Building a supportive network. March 15, 2025. Joining online communities like GitHub, Stack Overflow, or Reddit's Learn Learning provides access to a wealth of knowledge and support from experienced professionals. Attending AI meetups, conferences, or workshops can also broaden your network and offer opportunities for mentorship. Building a supportive network fosters collaboration, encourages learning, and offers valuable resources for overcoming challenges, thereby boosting confidence in AI newcomers. 5. Staying abreast of the latest developments in AI is crucial for maintaining relevance and staying competitive. Subscribe to industry newsletters like O'Reilly's AI Weekly or Medium's The AI Algorithm Hub. Follow thought leaders on social media, such as AnderingDeepLearning.ai or Geoffrey Hinton. Google Research. Staying updated on emerging trends equips AI newcomers with the knowledge necessary to adapt and excel in an ever-evolving field, thereby boosting their confidence.